Today we're going to be talking about my favorite form of blush that's literally perfect for summer. This is cream blush and I absolutely love it because of how natural it looks and it's perfect for my dry skin. My favorite one is by Jouer Cosmetics. This is their Blush and Bloom Lip and Cheek Tint Stick and this is in the shade Celebrate Me. I personally love applying cream blush after I've done my base and then my concealer. For those of you that know me, you know that I have such dry skin, so I'm going to use some setting mist just to kind of like rehydrate it. Once I've done this, I find that my makeup is so easy to blend, especially when it comes to blush. So what you want to do is basically just apply like a small dot. A little goes a long way, and typically cream blushes are very pigmented. Grab a brush like this. This is a Jouer Cosmetics blush brush number 03. And I basically just go ahead and start blending it. I don't let it sit because I find that it dries down and then it's too hard to blend. So what you want to do is just pat it, and I find that patting it works so much better than dragging it because it preserves the pigment. A little goes such a long way when you pat it. Also, if you drag it, you're going to find that the brush actually picks up the blush and you're just going to have to keep applying more and it's not very efficient. And then I also like to kind of drag it up here just so that it blends really well. Like, look at how pretty that is. It's so natural, and the reason why I also love it is because it has no shimmer. So it basically just looks like your skin has a really pretty flush of color. If you're looking for a more affordable option when it comes to cream blushes, try out the e.l.f. Putty Blush. That's another one of my faves, and it's just so pigmented. It's literally like a dupe for Rare Beauty. Highly recommend. So once you're done kind of just patting it in, what you're going to do is you're going to find a powder blush similar in shade to the cream blush that you just used. So what you're going to do is you're just going to get like a little bit onto your brush and you're just going to pat it over where you applied the cream blush. And what this does is locks it in. You're going to find that your cream blush lasts way longer, and if you're still going for that natural look, you can just use a matte blush. I'm using the Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Blushing Rose. It's my favorite one. And then what I always like to do is apply a little bit on my nose, and then I'll do a little bit on my chin as well. And then this is what you're left with. Beautiful. Like, it's just like a flush of color. It's so natural, and it will last all day. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like at the end. Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. I added a little bit of highlighter on top just to give it a glow, but it looks super natural to blush. I absolutely recommend like Rare Beauty, Jouer Cosmetics, and e.l.f. Cosmetics for cream blushes. Those are like my top 3 favorite ones. If you want to learn all about how to use cream blush and a few more tips and tricks, check out my blog on beginnersguide2makeup.com. I believe I have a section that's just all about cream makeup, so you can go there to read more. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have an amazing day. Bye!